Okay, in this exercise, we're going to use the proportion of the human face to practice our sighting techniques. So you might find a picture that you have around the house, or you could find a picture in a magazine or online. But what you're going to do is use your sighting technique to see how big is someone's head from the crown of their head to their chin to the width of their head. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pen again, or you can use the pinch method that we talked about. And that's going to be your 1. So remember, it doesn't have to be that literal size. If I was going to do the portrait bigger, I'm going to make those 2 marks further apart. Okay, so again, here's the height of the head. That's my 1. And then now that I've made these 2 marks, that's 1 on the paper. So it's just like scale. You can have something in, 1/4-inch scale in a floor plan and 1/2-inch scale in an elevation. It's the same concept. So you've got your marks this far apart in what you're sighting and this far apart in what you're drawing. Now I'm going to line it up from my chin to the top of his head. I'm going to turn my pen sideways and see it's about half of that from temple to temple or ear to ear. So I'm going to divide that line in half and now turn it sideways. Okay, and now I'm going to draw the roundness of the face. So here's the proportion of the height to the width of the face. Okay, so now I'm going to use my sighting technique again and go, here's the height of the head from the crown of the head to the chin. I'm going to turn my pen sideways and see that it's like double that for the width of the shoulder. So again, if here's the height of the face, I'm going to turn it sideways and make a mark double that for the width of the shoulder. Now this is what people often make the mistake is looking at the neck and drawing it too skinny. So hold that thought, don't draw the neck in yet, because you can see that the shoulders actually kind of connect here in a bigger curve. So to see the slope of the shoulders better, you're going to hold your pen up as a horizontal in space and draw that horizontal right below the chin, and that's going to help you see the shape of the shoulders better, that they're sloping down off that horizontal. Because typically what people will do is they'll draw the head too big and round, they'll draw a little tiny popsicle stick neck, and then they'll draw the shoulders too flat. So you can see how this is in more proportion. Okay, so then again, the eyes would go in here, the nose would be here, where the mouth would be here. So again, we're not going to draw the whole life drawing, we're just getting enough so that you can see the proportion of the face. And this will help you practice your sighting technique. So you might try this several times again, like, here's the height of the face, the width of the face, the width of the shoulder, and just get comfortable with this sighting tool, either the pinch method or using your drawing tool as the sighting tool by using your thumb to check off the height, holding your thumb there and turning it to see the relative size of the width in relation to the height. So again, we will you'll do this as a practice exercise before charting your homework. So this is a practice exercise for proportion.